Good morning. It's time for a short meditation to start your day. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or resting on your back, and settle in. Close your eyes, breathe in deeply, release, and let's begin. As you continue to breathe deeply, silently repeat the following affirmations. I'm grateful for this day. I embrace the day and all the good possibilities that await me. I am open to receiving all the good that is meant for me. Let these thoughts find a resting place in your heart and mind. Gently breathe in through your nose, allowing your stomach and chest to fill with air, and slowly release through your mouth. Just focus on having a day of positivity and ease. Guide your awareness back to the present moment as you prepare for this meditation to close. wiggle your fingers, your toes, and at your own pace, open your eyes. Thanks for giving yourself this moment of peace. Have a great day. If you found this meditation useful in any way, please subscribe. Thank you.